Like you, I have a busy agenda. Friends, career, family, and me time. But I make it all work. One thing that doesn't fit into my busy life, car breakdowns. I don't like dealing with them, and I definitely don't like paying for them. That's why I have a plan through CarShield.
CarShield offers plans that cover expensive repairs that cover up to 5,000 parts of your car, like your engine, transmission, electronics, and more. With a plan through CarShield, you're good to go. But you have to call before your car breaks down or it's too late. Best of all, you'll get access to CarShield's concierge service, who can even help you find a mechanic near you.
CarShield administrators make it all work, so you don't have to. Better yet, they make sure your car works, so you can get back to making your life work, just like these folks.
CarShield helped me save over $1,200. I didn't even know that my trunk motor was covered. CarShield administrators covered it. Who does that?
Once I took my car in and told them I had CarShield administrators took care of everything. I didn't have to do anything. I knew CarShield had my back. CarShield can help you save a whole lot of money.
CarShield even offers a price lock guarantee, which means your price never goes up as long as you cover your car. Darlings, it's just common sense that makes your budget work.
A plan through CarShield offers even more benefits to make your life better. That includes 24/7 roadside assistance with lockout and dead battery help, tire assistance, and courtesy towing, included at no extra cost.
Take it from me. Call CarShield now before your car breaks down and let them help handle it for you. Check car protection off of your to-do list. Take a breather and get back to enjoying life.
Call CarShield and get a price lock guarantee, which means your rate never goes up as long as you cover your car. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.